In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend text in Canva posters. We'll walk through a simple way to make your text look softer and more integrated with your background by using Canva's transparency controls. Even if you're new to Canva, don't worry. I'll explain everything as we go. First, open your Canva design where you want to blend your text. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options like templates, elements, and so on. Here, you want to click on the option that lets you upload images or assets. This is useful if you're working with a custom background, like a photo or a specific graphic that you want your text to blend into. Make sure your background is already in place and size the way you want before you move on. Next, with your background ready, look again at that left menu and select the option for text. This is where you'll find all of Canva's text tools. When you click on text, Canva will show you several preset font combinations as well as basic text options. From here, click on Add a text box. A new text box will appear on your design. Type in the text you want to use on your poster. You can drag the text box to position it exactly where you want it over your background. Take a moment to adjust the font, size, and color so it matches the style of your poster. You can use bold, italics, or different font weights if you want the text to stand out a bit more before blending it. Now comes the blending part. With the text box selected, look toward the top right area of the Canva toolbar. You should see an icon or option labeled Transparency. Click on Transparency and a slider will appear. This slider controls how solid or see-through your text is. Drag the slider to the left to reduce the opacity and make the text more transparent. As you adjust it, watch how the background starts to show through the letters. Move the slider until the text looks nicely blended into the image but still readable. Take a final look at your design and tweak the position, color, or transparency until everything feels balanced. When you're happy with it, your blended text effect is ready to use in your Canva poster.